This is the Module 8 quiz, question 1. I did have a few of you who weren't quite sure what this question was asking. So let's break this one down. So this worksheet stores the cost of a meal, which is $1,800. Let's say this is a fundraiser, perhaps. This is something probably that I would never attend, but it's a fundraiser where you're spending $1,800 on a meal, and then we have the number of attendees. The minimum cost of a meal is $10,000. What we're doing is we want to come up with a function. We're going to use the if function that takes the cost of the meal in Q5 multiplied by the number of attendees in Q6. Okay, so we're going to calculate that with a minimum of 10,000. Did I say that already? So let's go and take a look at that. I've put this together in this worksheet here. So we'll start our if function, equal if, and I'll go ahead and open up the function dialog box. Now, what is the logical test? If the cost of the meal multiplied by the number of attendees is greater than 10,000, then that's what they are going to pay. They're going to pay the cost of the meal times the number of attendees. So that's going to be Q5 times Q6. But if that is false, then they have to pay the minimum. So let's say just one person is attending this fundraiser. They're going to have to pay $10,000 for this meal. Whoops, it's too many zeros. Okay, so that's what we got going on right there. And so let's test this out. So I can see that I have 6 attendees. It's going to be $10,800. What if I only have 2 attendees? Well, they still have to pay a minimum of the $10,000. If I have 4 attendees, because 1,800 times 4 is still less than 10,000, they still have to pay the minimum of this 10,000. Okay, so hopefully that helps clarify what was going on with this particular function. So again, what it's going to look like right there.